Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Nutribullet 600 is probably one of the most popular and effective personal blenders on the market, renowned for its powerful motor and compact design that makes whipping up smoothies, shakes, and sauces a breeze. But is it the right choice for your kitchen and your blending needs? Today, we're diving deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the crowd, examining its performance, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it deserves a spot on your countertop. Number 5. Nutribullet 600W Nutrient Extractor. Embark on a journey to a healthier you. This is your perfect starting point for a revitalized lifestyle. Effortlessly create nutritious smoothies from your favorite fruits, vegetables, and more. Get essential nutrients easily and deliciously. With its powerful 600-watt motor, it transforms ingredients like strawberries and spinach into perfectly smooth, sippable nutrition. Its simple, intuitive design makes it a joy to use daily. Just push, twist, and blend, it's that straightforward. Cleaning is a breeze. Just twist off the blades, rinse, and place the cups in the dishwasher. Enjoy health without the hassle. This complete package includes the motor base, extractor blade, a 24-ounce cup, a to-go lid, and a recipe book for easy blending and portability. What we like? This is the original Nutribullet, perfect for beginners. If you're just starting your health journey and want a simple, effective way to make smoothies, this is for you. It's powerful enough for most ingredients and cleans up easily, making healthy habits effortless. What people say? This blender is great for making smoothies. It is very easy to use and clean. The powerful motor can crush ice and frozen fruit easily. Number 4. Nutribullet 7-piece blender replacement set. Revitalize your blending experience with this comprehensive 7-piece replacement set. It's designed to perfectly fit your compatible Nutribullet blender. Enjoy larger servings with the two included 32-ounce cups. They offer ample space for all your favorite smoothies and shakes. The premium extractor blade ensures smooth and efficient blending every time. It's crafted from durable, food-grade stainless steel for optimal performance. Take your creations on the go with the convenient flip-top to-go lid. The included lid ring provides a secure seal for mess-free portability. Made from BPA-free plastic and high-quality stainless steel, these parts are safe for your health. Plus, they are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. This set is specifically designed for Nutribullet 600W and 900W models. Please verify compatibility before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. What we like? Get more out of your blending with these larger cups and a convenient travel lid. If you need bigger portions or are always on the go, this set is ideal. It offers great value with multiple cups and a blade compatible with your 600W or 900W base. What people say? It is very easy to use and clean. The Nutribullet 600-watt is a great blender for making smoothies. It is powerful enough to blend frozen fruit and ice. Number 3. Nutribullet 600W 900W blender cup and blade replacement set. Ensure your Nutribullet 600W or 900W blender is always ready for action. This replacement set is designed specifically for a perfect fit, bringing your blender back to life. Crafted from high-strength, BPA-free plastic and food-grade 304 stainless steel, these parts are built to last. Enjoy peace of mind knowing they are safe for all your blending needs. This package includes one 24-ounce cup and one extraction blade, complete with a pre-installed gasket. Everything you need to get blending again is right here. Experience hassle-free operation and cleaning. The components offer a secure, durable seal, making your blending routine smoother and simpler. To ensure you receive the correct parts, please carefully check all product images against your current blender. This set is designed exclusively for Nutribullet 600W and 900W models. What we like? Upgrade your blending experience with this essential replacement set. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality cup and blade for your 600W or 900W Nutribullet, this is a great choice. It's built to last and ensures easy cleaning for daily use. What people say? It is very easy to use and clean. This blender is powerful and crushes ice and frozen fruit with ease. The compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens. Number 2. Nutribullet Pro 900 Watt Blender, Matte Black. Unleash the power of 900 watts. This compact blender transforms fruits and vegetables into smooth, delicious nutrition in no time. It comes with a powerful motor base, extractor blade, a large colossal cup, 2 tall cups, 3 to-go lids, and helpful recipe and user guides. Did you know you can make most smoothies in under 60 seconds? Now you can easily fit healthy nutrition into your busy schedule. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and the cups are dishwasher safe. Enjoy health without the hassle. Its specially designed blades are made for nutrient extraction, turning everyday foods into superfoods. Experience the difference it makes. With its simple and intuitive design, this blender is a device you'll want to use every single day. What we like? Experience enhanced blending power with this special edition. If you need more power to tackle tougher ingredients or want to make smoothies in under a minute, this 900W model is perfect. It comes with a variety of cups and lids for ultimate convenience. What people say. It is very easy to use and clean. It is powerful enough to blend frozen fruit and ice. The compact size is great for small kitchens. Number 1. 14 PCS Blender Extractor Blade and Cups for Nutribullet 600W 900W. This 14-piece set provides all the essential replacement parts you need for your Nutribullet blender. It includes blades, cups, lids, gaskets, and more for daily use. Designed specifically for the Nutribullet Original 600W and Pro 900W series, these parts ensure a perfect fit. Please check your model number before purchasing to confirm compatibility. The powerful cross-extractor blade, made from food-grade stainless steel, utilizes cyclonic action to help you unlock maximum nutrition from your ingredients. Enjoy healthier smoothies and snacks. Featuring a fully sealed design with silicone rubber gaskets, this blade assembly prevents leaks. All materials are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for your convenience and safety. Your package includes 1 emulsifier cross blade, 3 cups of various sizes with lids, 2 rubber gaskets, 6 shock pads, 1 motor top base gear, and a cleaning brush. The silicone rubber gasket is pre-installed on the blade. Please ensure it is snugly fitted before use. Also, check and tighten the bottom gear if it feels loose for optimal performance. What we like? This comprehensive set offers incredible value for your Nutribullet. If you need a wide array of replacement parts, including different cup sizes, gaskets, and a powerful blade, this is the ultimate package. It's perfect for ensuring your blender is always ready for action. What people say. This blender is powerful and crushes ice and frozen fruit with ease. The compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens and easy to store. It's very simple to use, just push down and blend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.